Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and today I wanted to give you a little sneak preview inside this darling, tiny little cookbook, Scandi Bites. It has 60 recipes for sweet treats, party food, and other little Scandinavian snacks. It's by Trine Hahnemann. It has a gilt cover, really shiny. It has the lucky Swedish horse on the front. Came out in 2019. Hardy Grant is the publisher. Photography by Columbus Leth. Illustrations by Debbie Powell. It really puts you in a mood for a cozy night in, doesn't it? Table of contents are introduction, and then fika and tea time, smorgasbord and savories, sorry if I mispronounced that, celebrations, and then basics. So here's the introduction. I'll read you the first couple sentences. Scandinavia is the land of hygge, fika, or the kaffepaus. Any excuse to take a break. Having coffee with cakes and treats is a part of daily life, be it at home or in a cafe. I like this. Scandinavians like buns and pastries in the morning, sandwiches for lunch and snacks during the day, and cakes in the afternoon. Okay. I like it. So here's the first chapter, fika and tea time. Cinnamon buns recipe. Cardamom knots. Buttermilk buns. So far there's been a picture for every recipe. Poppy and sesame seed Danish. Let's scoot ahead a little because I can't show you the whole book. That's not fair to the author or the publisher. Danish custard pies. Runeberg cakes. I guess you need a mold for that. Chocolate-topped medals. A raspberry something or other. Let's get to the next chapter. Ooh, hot chocolate and sweet buns. I'm trying to get to the next chapter. Lingonberry and marzipan cakes. But there's so much good stuff I want to show you. Okay, smorgasbord and savories. If I just butchered that word, I'm sorry. Open sandwiches, which Scandinavian cultures are known for. Egg, tomato, avocado, prawn, beef pickles, egg smoked mackerel, cucumber goat cheese cream. These are asparagus tartlets, cute. These are sausage bread rolls, beetroot and bacon muffins, rich cheese crackers. I can't say those look very appetizing, let's be honest. Okay. Mini Finnish rye breads. Early morning spelt rolls. Now we're in the celebrations chapter. Raspberry eclairs. Walnut kisses. Mazarin cakes. Choux pastries with rhubarb cream. And Finnish sugar cookies. I hope you enjoyed the sneak preview of Scandi Bites, and I hope it was helpful. Thanks so much for watching.